In an age where AI is reshaping industries and transforming the way we interact with technology, there's one name that stands out: ChatGPT. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that not only understands your words, but also comprehends the nuances of your intent. In this video, we will delve deeper into the capabilities, applications, and significance of ChatGPT. So let's get started. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by artificial intelligence, or AI, that simulates natural human communication. Users may ask questions and get help with everything from essay and email writing to coding, thanks to this language paradigm. OpenAI, an AI and research firm, is home to the creative minds of ChatGPT. Back in November 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT to the public. Since then, OpenAI released its latest, ChatGPT 4, on March 14, 2023. Since ChatGPT can be used by anyone without cost at the moment, it has a large potential user base. In addition, at the beginning of February, OpenAI released ChatGPT Plus, a paid membership version. ChatGPT's interface is intuitive and easy to use. OpenAI accounts can be made at chat.openai.com. OpenAI has simplified the original URL for the chatbot for your convenience, but you can still access it as chat.openai.com/chat if you choose. Once you've logged into ChatGPT, you can start a chat with other users to get answers to queries or help with a variety of activities. ChatGPT is not only accessible online, but also as a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices. This flexible instrument provides limitless opportunities for communication, investigation, and artistic expression. How exactly does it work? Well, ChatGPT makes use of specialized algorithms built within its large language model, GPT, in order to identify patterns in data sequences. In order to come up with answers, it first uses the GPT-3 big language model, which is a neural network machine learning model and the third version of the generative pre-trained transformer. To emphasize the importance of fine-tuning, ChatGPT has upgraded to the GPT 3.5 model and included it in the algorithm. In addition, ChatGPT Plus, available with a paid membership, makes use of GPT-4 to provide lightning-fast responses and integration with other online services. Why does ChatGPT 4 stand out? When comparing its capabilities to ChatGPT 3.5, GPT-4 has made significant improvements. GPT-4 has improved its accuracy. It's capable of performing more complex tasks such as describing images, creating captions for images, and composing answers of up to 25,000 words in length. Unlike GPT 3.5, GPT-4 has developed a slight sense of humor. Is there room for improvement? Yes, of course. The core of ChatGPT is deep learning, a branch of machine learning. Using its huge training data, it uses transformer neural networks to generate text that is highly realistic in its portrayal of human language. The training process starts with generic data and advances to more task-specific datasets. ChatGPT learns the basics of human language via online text throughout its initial training phase. Then it learns from transcripts of conversations to improve its own conversational abilities. Human trainers are essential because they facilitate interactions and evaluate performance. These incentive structures point the way to the best possible solutions. To help improve ChatGPT, users can vote on each answer by clicking the thumbs up or down button, respectively, next to the response. Users can also provide textual comments for consideration in future iterations of the chat system. ChatGPT users can pose any number of questions, from the most basic to the most complex and niche. ChatGPT is more than capable of offering intelligent solutions, whether you're considering deep issues like the meaning of existence or looking for historical knowledge like the year New York became a state. Its expertise in STEM fields make it a powerful tool for fixing bugs in existing programs and creating new ones. When it comes to the types of questions you can ask with ChatGPT, the sky's the limit. However, it should be noted that ChatGPT is only current through the year 2021, and it is not aware of events or data beyond that year. As a conversational chatbot, it encourages users to ask for more details or tweak its responses for a more satisfying conversational experience. ChatGPT is a technological marvel since it generates text that is nearly indistinguishable from human language, depending on user input. This exceptional skill can be put to use in many contexts. For instance, ChatGPT's seamless text-to-code and reverse translation becomes essential in the field of software development. Like Stack Overflow, it also serves as a search engine to help programmers solve problems they're encountering in their work. ChatGPT's abilities are particularly useful in the field of conversational AI. It allows for more human-like interactions between humans and machines, facilitating the development of conversational AI systems for uses such as customer service and personal assistance. ChatGPT has an outsized effect because of its ability to generate engaging material such as original writing, ads, tailored emails, news pieces, and more. When compared to the time and effort required for manual writing, this automation can help marketing organizations and freelancers save time and money. Platforms like Jasper.ai, Craftly.ai, Sembly.ai, Poised.com, and DoNotPay.com are just a few examples of the fast-changing environment of AI-assisted content creation. ChatGPT also excels in summarizing texts. It is especially useful for condensing lengthy materials like academic studies, news stories, and scientific papers into digestible chunks of information. Despite ChatGPT's wide applicability, we must not forget its educational function. Conversational tutoring systems, automated grading, and the ability to generate educational materials like textbooks are just a few of the ways that advanced language models like ChatGPT are revolutionizing the educational landscape. Over-reliance on technology, biases in AI-generated material, the lack of human contact and emotional intelligence, and the need for fact-checking owing to occasional mistakes are some of the potential drawbacks. If current trends continue, future GPT versions will be much more advanced. Future versions of these models may expand into areas such as voice-based interfaces, video creation, and integration with technologies like computer vision robotics, all of which require additional parameters and more complex methodologies. The importance of ethical issues in promoting fair and responsible application is likely to grow. Tools like GPT-0 and OpenAI's classifiers have risen in the ever-changing environment of AI-generated text. By evaluating criteria like confusion and burstiness, these instruments can tell the difference between content written by humans and that generated by AI. They are useful but not foolproof because their performance is dependent on the accuracy of the algorithms and the thoroughness of the training data. AI-generated text detection is a rapidly evolving field. Tools like GPT-0, which uses AI to identify text, are projected to become more efficient as technology advances. While ChatGPT is impressive as an AI system, it is not perfect. Sometimes it can come up with answers that seem reasonable but are actually inaccurate or make no sense, which is a problem. There are many factors that make it difficult to solve this problem. No single source of truth can be relied on to direct a model via reinforcement learning training. In addition, making the model cautious can result in it rejecting questions that it could accurately answer. Furthermore, the optimum answer depends on the model's knowledge, not merely what the human demonstrator understands. So, supervising training can mislead the model. ChatGPT's sensitivity to input phrasing is another barrier to its wider use. It can be annoying for users who are looking for consistent replies because it may respond differently to merely rephrased requests. The model's tendency to repeat phrases and its own verbosity are both problematic. These problems originate from biases in the training data, including a preference for longer replies that are interpreted as more thorough. The over-optimization of the model is also a factor in this kind of conduct. When presented with confusing questions, the model should ideally ask for clarification. However, current models frequently make assumptions about the user's purpose. ChatGPT's responses to incorrect requests or biased conduct still occur despite OpenAI's best efforts to prevent them. False positives and negatives are possible, but they are rare, and OpenAI uses the moderation API to warn users about or remove potentially harmful content. User input is crucial for fixing these problems and enhancing the system over time. OpenAI employs a deployment strategy that interactively builds upon previous models, such as GPT-3 and Codex. Reductions in hazardous and erroneous outputs have been significant because of safety measures like RLHF or reinforcement learning from human feedback. OpenAI is aware of its current shortcomings and has promised regular model updates to help it improve in these areas. Just months after GPT-4's release, the anticipation of ChatGPT 5 is now on the rise. No release date has been announced just yet, but based on previous releases, GPT-5 may not come for another several months. User input is highly valued and crucial in driving future development. Users' input is vital, especially when it relates to problematic results, false positives, negatives from content filters, and potential dangers. OpenAI even has a ChatGPT feedback contest where users must share their thoughts and experiences for a chance to win API credits. So that is all the time we have today, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon on your way out. See you all next time.